Okay, so today I downloaded some new software on my Mac, which is my other computer from yesterday that I used to make my first video about the Diablo 3 uh, giveaway thing, the guest pass. Anyway, so this new software is called Screenium, and I don't know if you can see it or anything right now. You can probably just see my face or something. But when I try to record the screen, it's like just green or like it's some color, but it's not the actual screen. And I've been trying for like an hour. I'm looking at the clock right here. I've been trying for like an hour to find out like how to, actually show the screen. Um, as with my face up here. I mean, I don't have to put my face up here, but I feel like when I do like commentaries on games and stuff, it'll be nice to put it up there. So anyway, I need help fixing my screen, like so I can actually show the screen, And if it does, like when I upload it, if it does show the screen, then I guess it's just, I don't know, it fixes itself when it uploads or something. Like uploads to something, yeah. So, that is why I am making this video. Yeah, I need your help. Please help me. Because I want to make Minecraft videos and like Diablo 3 walkthroughs and everything. Like that. So, yes. Please help, guys. And or girl. So yeah, please help. Thank you very much, and bye.